Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizkia Sulastri and my ID student is 21220049 and I'm from class B1 2021. And today, this video, I would like to explain or discuss about four type of question. This is gap filling, error correction, transformation question, and the last is SI question for 9th grade with the title is taking trip. And this video, it is to pulpit a segment on workshop instrument evaluasi pembelajaran. Alright, let's get started. Alright, this is for identitas soal untuk mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris untuk kelas 9 semester 1 dan ada di bab chapter 2 yaitu taking trip dan jenis soal yang akan saya bahas pada hari ini ada di gap filling, error correction, transformation, and essay question. Tingkat kognitif, LOTS, level of thinking skill, low of thinking skill, and HOTS is a high order thinking skill. And for the sumber is English for Nusantara kelas 9 chapter 2 taking trip penerbit Kementerian Pendidikan Kebudayaan Riset dan Teknologi 2021. Kompetensi dasar, pertama, memahami informasi, lisan, dan tulis yang disampaikan dalam percakapan sederhana tentang kegiatan wisata, seperti memesan tiket, mencari informasi, dan tentang tempat wisata, dan menceritakan kembali pengalaman wisata. Kedua, mengungkapkan informasi lisan dan tulis dalam percakapan sederhana tentang kegiatan wisata, seperti memesan tiket, mencari informasi tentang tempat wisata, dan menceritakan pengalaman wisata. Alright, next is the indikator pencapaian kompetensi, yaitu pertama, memahami arti kata dan kalimat yang digunakan dalam percakapan sederhana tentang kegiatan wisata. Kedua, menjawab pertanyaan sederhana tentang percakapan tentang kegiatan wisata. Ketiga, mengungkapkan informasi tentang kegiatan wisata dengan menggunakan kosakata dan struktur kalimat yang tepat. Berpartisipasi dalam percakapan sederhana tentang kegiatan wisata dengan menggunakan kosakata dan struktur yang paling tepat. Dan terakhir, menceritakan pengalaman wisata dengan menggunakan kosakata dan struktur kalimat yang tepat. Next is tujuan pembelajaran. Pertama, memahami informasi lisan dan tulis yang disampaikan dalam percakapan sederhana tentang kegiatan wisata. Kedua, mengungkapkan informasi lisan dan tulis dalam percakapan sederhana tentang kegiatan wisata. Yang ketiga, memahami informasi lisan dan tulis tentang budaya dan tradisi di daerah wisata di Indonesia. Dan yang terakhir, mengungkapkan informasi lisan dan tulis tentang budaya dan tradisi di daerah wisata di Indonesia. Stop. Alright, these are the four type of question that I will create or use in the presentation. The first is the close passage or gap filling, and second transformation question, and third is error correction, and the last about essay question. Alright, here the first of the type equation. This is closed passage or gap filling. And yeah, I put the link here from the word wall. It is so easy application to student be access the question or the exercise. Alright, and next. Alright, this is the text or the short story about tips for planning a trip to a national park. And this is for the instruction. The instruction is to read the following text to answer the question. Fill in the blank with the most appropriate word. Alright, this is for the text and here is the question. Alright, here is the question about the text before, and this is the type of the class passage or the gap filling. This is a part 1 and part 2. For the part 1 is low order thinking skill or lots. This is for have the 4 question, and the for part 2 is high order thinking skill or hot. Have the 6 question, and this is for instruction. Read the entry passage carefully, get a good understanding of the overall topic and the flow of ideas. Alright, and here is the answer for the question. This is part one, lost, have for answer, and part two is hot, have seek answer. All right, next is the number two type of question. This is transformation question, and I put the link here is by Kahoot. Kahoot is application easy and fun to quiz game. All right, here is the text or short story for the transformation question type. This is about a day in the national park, and for the instruction here, read the sentence and transform is based on the instruction in the question. And here, this is a question for the transformation question type. This is have part 1 and part 2. For the part 1, lots a question, have a poor question, and part 2, hot question, have seek a question. Yes, this is the answer for the question about the transformation question type. This is for part 1, have a poor answer, and part 2, hot, have a seek answer. All right, here is the error correction. This is number three for the question type. This is error correction, and I put the link is from the Google form. All right, I put the instruction here and the text or the short story about National Park Adventure for here. And for instruction here is read the passage, find the error in each sentence, and write the corrected sentence below. Yes, and here this is the question for the error correction question. Here I have part 1 and part 2. For the part 1 is last question and part 2 is hot question. For part 1 have a 4 question and part 2 have a 6 question. And for introduction here, this is read the passage when the error is a sentence and write in the corrected sentence below. Yes, and here is the answer for part one. Lots is have a four answer. And next is the answer for part two hot. And this is here have a sick answer. All right, the last about the question type. This is essay question, and I put the link here from the Google form. So we are going to question about the essay question type. And yeah, I put the instruction here and the short story or text also here. This is about the National Park Adventure. And for instruction here, read the text below and answer each question in a well-developed paragraph. All right, this is the question for part one. Is a lot a question. Have a four question and instruction here for the answer the question. Read the text below and answer each question in a well-developed paragraph. And yes, this is question part two, a hot question, and I put instruction here and this is have a sick question for the part two is hot question and instruction is answer each question in a well-developed paragraph using specific detail and example from your trip or image a trip to national park. All right, this is for answer part one loss and have a for answer here and student will be to read or check again in the last paragraph or text about a national trip. This is for the answer. Have for answer. All right, this is for the answer part two hot. This is have a sick answer, and student will answer differently according to their experience in traveling to national park. And for the example, I will put this is answer here, but student will answer different according to their experience. All right, that's all from me to present the four type of question that I made about taking trip. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.